So when you start seeing the cost per purchase is just going so high,
Mm-hmm.
and you know it's just $30 cost per purchase, but you keep getting purchases.
It just means that people are getting tired of your ad. You have to create a new creative. That's why I was telling you that you have to invest in buying that product. I had so much products that was doing really well and the cost per purchase started going high. It's just because you just haven't made a new video. That's it. You buy the product, you make
a video, but I have a good video, but I haven't tested it.
Yeah, exactly. Now you got to test a new creative to the same audience and you're going to get more sales. Or it's now, remember like I talked about in the course, test new interests. Test new interests too and keep building up those interests again. Just like how you did with your lookalike.
The product is still good. Keep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Different interests on the same ad, correct?
Yeah. So the product is not, there's nothing wrong with the product. If you're making money with a product, you can make money with a product for 2 years.
A lot of folks are copying my video.
Yeah. See, people are.
At least 3 or 4. Maybe that's why the cost per purchase is going high.
Yeah, so much people gonna copy your stuff.
But I have another video that is ready to go, and it got like 800 shares, ton of comments, but I just stopped using it. So I can just start using that, and no one's using it right now.
Exactly. Now what you need to do, if that product's doing really well for you, buy the product, ship it here, and you do your own video.
And that's where I always get stuck, is like the creative side of how to make the video. So
if you don't want to do the videos, why don't you find a creative personality on Instagram?
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah, find somebody, yeah.
Clothing, even if it's something like you wouldn't wear yourself. Like I know a lot of people, like they have like people on Instagram that are influencers that, you know, like you brought it up too, like look at Fashion Nova.
Yeah.
Like how you get a different ad with them all the time, but it's always like pertaining to, like I watch their stuff and I'm just like, let me buy that jeans, she look good.
Yeah, because she looks good in them.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I think that's the same
You're sad.
There's a couple really good ones. Actually, you guys are doing a great job with your store too with branding.
Yeah, they're doing a really good job. Sandra, keep it here. You don't have to move it around. But yeah, they're doing a really good job with branding on their store. So yeah, you guys just want to make sure you just get your product, ship it to your house. If you can't create a good video, like she said, send it to an influencer who does videos and just have them do the video.
So is there ever a time where your ads stop and you try to run, so your cost per purchase is low, it's good, your ads stop because of bank or whatever happens, they disable your account for a little bit and you try to start turning them on again with that same product.
So it's just gonna take a longer time to warm back up. Yeah, so especially if you start running your ads at the end of the month, it's always gonna be high because Facebook is a company, right? They want to meet their monthly quota. So you don't want to run, if you start testing so much stuff at the end of the month, you already know it's gonna cost you a lot.
I'm talking about you're going smooth with a certain product and all of a sudden your ads turn off. Facebook disables your ad account or you have something with
So then you means you did something wrong for Facebook to disable.
But with the ad account back on, get the ad account back on, you get your card is good, you start running the ads.
Now your cost per purchase is high because you stopped your ads. So all you want to do is make sure is go back to the basics. You don't have to launch all those ads again because you're already going to lose ROI. So you want to make sure you test with the use only the ones that's the most profitable. Keep those going because it's warming back up. You mess up the algorithm by messing the ads up. If you're running ads, you should never turn your ads off. It was because of your bank situation.
I was spending more than they was.
Yeah, so then what you have to do is look at how much if your ad account budget is $5,000, right? Facebook tells you your ad account, your daily spend is $5,000. You can't spend more than $5,000. So now don't spend more than $5,000. If you don't have enough money and your money's going to be deposited in 7 days, calculate it. How much do I have to spend daily so I can be able to meet that amount? Maybe I'm not gonna make as much profit as if I'm just dumping all my money in today, right? But your ad's gonna keep running. It's gonna be stable. There's so much time that I could have scaled my ads up to 20 grand, but I couldn't because my ad account daily budget was only at 5,000. You have to, you can't, like you guys can't be so, like you can't be so thirsty for money.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, you're like, oh my God, this is doing so good.
Stage and I'm like, okay, I'm putting them all out there.
Yeah, you have to do the math.
Yeah.
Do the math. It's phasing. Your daily budget is $5,000. You can't spend more than $5,000. So now, don't spend more than $5,000.
So after that happens and your cost per purchase is high, just kill those ads and start making new audiences and keep testing that product.
Yes, keep bringing new creative in.
Okay.
New images, new videos, retargeting. Make sure you're doing retargeting because you're going to save money on that. Have you even started doing retargeting?
I've been doing a little bit of retargeting, a little bit.
Have you started doing worldwide traffic?
Worldwide traffic, yes. I made worldwide traffic for my video views, for my purchases. I just excluded certain countries like India, Afghanistan, Pakistan. I just did a worldwide lookalike and top e-packet countries as well. But specifically, my question is, when is there a time where you stop that product? When do you stop?
If you want to stop the product, you can.
So I can keep that going.
You can keep that product going by just refreshing it with new creatives. Just refreshing it with new creatives. New creatives. Basically the images, the videos, the ad that people are seeing every day. Fashion Nova, if you go to their website, they're doing $2 million a week off of just these blue jeans. Why they didn't stop those blue jeans 2 years ago?
Oh, they've been running them for 2 years?
They've been running that ad since they came out. That's all they make their money off of.
Okay.
Off those blue jeans. They're just getting new people to wear it. That's it.
So like, does the audience eventually die out, or?
You keep building on the audience. That's why I said you keep adding new interests. You keep building on that audience and keep refreshing it. There's 2 billion people on Facebook, right? You just have to keep building that audience over and over again.